Good morning. It's July 28th. It's a Tuesday morning. And what you're seeing is a 1975 MTD Tiller that my sweet cousin Linda Fountain gave me. She and her husband Dennis Williams gave this to me to restore. I've already started taking the motor down. It's got good compression. It started on just one spray of starting fluid. I didn't use gasoline from the tank yet. I've already got it. You can see I've been cleaning the carburetor and working on cleaning and getting the gas tank ready to be painted. This is the first time I've ever worked on one of these type tillers. It's a belt drive. There's a lot to it. I can still get the tires. This one's got good tread. The other one's slick. But just wanted to show you what I'm working on now, and I'll let you see it when I get through with it. Hope y'all are having a good day. Bye bye.